Hello, friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace. And, boy, wow, looks like it's Wednesday. Jeez, I thought, yesterday was Monday. Um, man, when your sleep cycle's like upside down or whatever, hibernation, man, it's crazy. Could have swore one day went by, but it's been almost three. So, this morning, tonight, today, we're going to go over the 20% drop video that I did Sunday night. And where we're kind of at with everything. So, I'll go over the main points first. It actually, on this daily hitch, we said we were front running it, and we sure did, because that ended up changing, and we certainly never got any red dot confirmation on that. And so 12 hours after the video, we actually had a green dot pop up, momentum reversed. And that's been pretty much that so far. The standard markets doing all right. Looks like there's some Google news. They're doing a stock split. Everyone's kind of doing what they can to grab what extra money's out there. And, there's this talk about, everyone's talking about war and it's hard to know what's real and what isn't. But if there is, and there has been, since November 5th, there is a reason why we went major long on oil, major long on Raytheon, major long on General Quadrenix Dynamics, is because literally 12:01 that night, bombs were flying again. Not a joke. Look it up. That night, shoo! As soon as Trump left, shoo! Bombs were dropping again. And what do we know about war? We're always at war. There's always wars going on. It was just different. And I'm just speaking from the United States perspective. That was the first 4 years. We didn't really have military war conflict like we normally have. Not saying there wasn't any conflict anywhere, and there was always shit going on, but not like it always has been, and always will be. So we had a 4-year break, but war stocks politics, they say. War stocks politics. Now, I'm not saying no war's gonna, maybe, movement, whatever they can do to keep money going from one place to another and moving back and forth, even if it means bloodshed of the young. It's just the way they kind of keep money flowing and keep shaving off the top. I didn't really mean to go off on this tangent. I'm not trying to change the subject from the fact that the 20% thing's not looking good right now, because it's not. So I might, and it ain't over yet. I could, if I'm, Anyways, let's get back on track. So that daily didn't hitch, kept on going. And the RSIs are chilling here. Just kind of have a little curvature, you know, whatever. That's good. Going to the 12-hour. RSIs, yeah, coming up. Still a little gap, but still coming up. And we are right at the spider line. In fact, we got rejected off the spider line. And it's kind of like, all right, are we going to come up here and push through? Are we going to have, you know, when things are gapped like this, we can have big wicks. You know, just like before. Just like last time. This is what happened to me last time, right? Back here, I was talking about how I want to short and catch the big one, and I'm a macro short for like the next week or so. And then I pencil necked out, did a little long right here, got it right here, and then it ended up happening. It took time. And it kind of happened unexpectedly. I didn't think this was going to be a big one, but this one was. This was on the weekend, I think, right? I think that was Saturday. I think that was a weekend dump, Friday or Saturday. And so, you know, shit, that might be what's going to happen again. We might be going great for the next 2 days, and then whammy! And then all over again, I miss it all over again. You know what I'm saying? But to be honest, right now, it's really about checking myself. You know, if things don't go the way I thought, especially, I mean, it happened pretty quick. When the 12-hour, this is what invalidated the immediate term, really, especially the candle after. $37.9, and it went down to $36.6, and then went from 38.7, 38.8 down, back down to 36.845. Man, wicked. So, we have here. It's interesting right here. Weekly might be having a pinch off here. Now, I'm not trying to front run again. But this got some curve. It's going against money flow coming down, but again, what in my gut feeling on this would be, sure, this can absolutely, it would have a move up, you know, but not like all-time high type of stuff. It would not all the way back up, but it's dropped 50-60% already. Maybe it'll come down, come back up. Everyone goes yippee you, yippee yee ha, yay. Time has to go by. It's gotta do something, man. It's gotta do something. Time goes by. It goes different directions. 2 days it goes one direction. Another 2 days goes the other. But I got my hands in my pockets, man. My hands are in my pockets, and I'm a little kind of kicking the. I'm kind of like the kid kicking the cup down the sidewalk. Those gaps, man. These gaps. Still think that there ain't no legs. up or down. And I think that's why we're seeing these big volatile candles. There's not much money on the books, so someone can push that price. Someone can, dare I say it, manipulate if they want to. That doesn't mean that's what's going on. That just because there's a big candle doesn't mean it's manipulation. Or that it's purposeful manipulation. Fun little fact here. The spider line we are currently at is the 29K line. This was a scenario where we come down, you know, for a little bit. If this thing fights up, you know. I don't have the answers though. Right now. At least for now. This doesn't look bad for the bulls. Nice little VWAP coming up. Momentum triggering right there. Might have a little something in her. I don't know. Maybe we'll, I don't know. We'll see. Let's take a look at, ETH. Man, I swear this is a pattern we've seen 100 times. Looks like Chapel on the Hill, you know. That's what I would call this, the Chapel on the Hill. I would have to go back and see if I might do that tonight. I might go back and try to find on all different time frames the chapel on the hill. Here's the chapel. Here's the hill. What happens after the chapel on the hill? Probably just, in reality, do the same thing as do again. Spend some more time and... I must say, and I don't know if it's maybe the same with you guys, the people close to me, my friends, family, that are in altcoins and crypto and metaverse coins, all of them, I haven't gotten, I don't think, any calls or text messages of anyone like, oh, what should I do? Should I sell? Everyone's been remaining pretty calm and pretty cool and just waiting it out. And even if they didn't have any crypto before, they've heard about and seen these drops, and so, maybe they're more maybe people have gotten better at hodling, or just the idea. Or maybe it's, just kind of people have wisened up to see how screwed up everything else is, and what else are you gonna do? Look at these guys trying to say, where's the headline here trying to say oil slips down under $89. Whoa, boy, it's oil slips to 89. That's like a new high. I can't. That's like a new high. It's at its high. Where is that? Let me see if where's that headline here? These guys literally, there's a headline saying oil slips down. It's like, I don't get it, man. And it wasn't ever even over 89. It was at 89, slips down. These guys are crazy. So. Don't believe the hype, I guess. I don't know. As far as, immediate trades right now and getting some of the price action, identify the environment. I always say, and there's windows, there's going to be times where there's a lot of confident trades, and there's going to be the opposite times where I'm not really, or you're not really seeing anything that's jumping out at you. And as of right now, I don't see anything begging me that I don't see anything that's making me not a trade I cannot refuse. That don't mean that there's not great trades and probably some great price movement. There is, but that's just me. And it's the tortoise. The tortoise that wins the decathlon. Not the spazzed out chipmunk. Speaking of, I almost did this video in voice mod with the Daniel Pena chipmunk. I re-downloaded it, but it just wasn't getting the job done. We're going to be relaunching a whole new line of merch with a much, much better distributor. So whatever's left here is, I think we got like another 100 mugs still. Some size of everything. I'm going to get a direct list. I think we're going to do like a blowout sale. Everything must go on merch. Coming real soon. Official sponsor of our boy Platinum Mike Perry. Fighting in February. Heard nothing but great things about the Market Cipher Academy. And our educators. And yeah. But yeah, this man, when this hits, the front running's real, man. When the whole front running and it not being what you front ran, that's real. Man, that shit changed. That candle changed. As I said, we ain't politicians. And neither are you, hopefully. And if you are, when you're trading, let go of that damn ego. It's hard. It's hard. That's a daily Daily scrap. Kind of. Anyways, I think that's all I got to say. I hope you guys are going to have a great day. Yep. B-I-O-K-Y.